Hello guys, welcome to Alagawura TV, where we show you how to create beautiful design. And in this video, I will be showing you how to create an Adobe XD App Design, how to create an app using Adobe XD. That's what I'll be showing you in this video, and I'm very sure you are going to learn a lot. We have spoken about Adobe XD for beginners, tutorial for beginners, car insurance, website design, still on Adobe XD. You can find all of that on our channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a mobile app UI design using Adobe XD. So without any further ado, let's quickly dive right in. Alright, this is my Adobe XD. So we will be using a mobile device here. So you can use any of these. I'll be going with the default iPhone 12. Wait a minute for XD to pop up. Fine. I will assume that you already know how to use these tools. If you are not, please go over to our channel. There is a video, Adobe XD tutorial for beginners, where I explain everything about these tools, these menus, and the properties at the right hand side there. So I will assume that you have watched that. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a mobile app using Adobe XD. Alright. So the first thing we'll be doing this, first decide on the kind of mobile app you want to create. In this video, I want us to create an app on maybe a job board website where people looking for a job can come and use their mobile app to search for job. That's what I'll be doing, and we'll be designing just the home page of the mobile app. So it's something very cool and beautiful, something that you can put in your project at the end of the day. So let's do that. And first, please, if you are starting out, make sure that you employ the idea of simplicity in your designs. Whatever designs you are doing, make sure that it is simple. Don't go with don't have the target of something crazy or something spectacular. Honestly, the simpler a design is, the better. Please put that at the back of your mind with whatever design you are making. Just make it simple. Just create very simple designs, and you see that at the end of the day it's going to look beautiful. I have I think this is the picture I'm looking for. Yes, not this. This is a picture. I'm just going to reduce the size significantly. This picture, I'm using this because it looks like an employee that is happy at her job. That's why I'm using this picture. So whatever you do, make sure that there's a decision behind it. Don't just put any picture on your design. Make sure that there's a decision behind whatever you do. So this looks like an employee at her workplace, and she's having a good time working. So that's what I'm using for this, and I'm going to place it at the center. Also, I always like my designs to have especially my rectangles, whatever rectangle that I have on the web page, to have some rounded edges, and you can do that under the radius section here. I will select 10 for this, enter. As you can see, the picture I've gotten some round edges, which is perfect, which is exactly what I want. So the next thing is I'm going to create a nice title for this app. And to create a title, since it's a text, we'll be using this text too. Then I'll click on the artboard. So the title will be "Get the Job of Your Dreams." That's the title that I want for this project. But I don't want this particular font, and at the same time I want the text to be aligned to the center. Then I'll go to the font. I'm looking for something more serious. Myriad Pro, I think Myriad Pro is okay, but I want something bold. And at the same time, I want the color to be black. Perfect. And also, I want to have some increase in size. Yes. And line spacing, the spacing between the lines, I want to reduce that. So this is the spacing. 45, I think 45 is perfect. So get the job of your dreams. Perfect. The next thing is to create the description, maybe a subtitle, so to speak. Something like that is perfect. Now this description, it will not be bold. In fact, oftentimes I want it to be regular, very thin. If there is a thin, I'll use that. And again, the size should be way smaller. And oftentimes it should be more than a single line. Buffers. No bad jobs, no low paying jobs. Just things that every job Sasha would like. Yeah, just put that there. And also, perfect. I'm going to center it. Perfect. Something else is that I want to give this a significant line height. Okay, perfect. Now this is looking great, guys. It's looking great. You can have that around there, and this we can increase the size because it will be the like something that will bring their attention to the text below. So when they see this, they'll go over to this and they'll go over to this, just like that. Now we need a call to action, something like a button that they will click on to take them into the main app. This is the front page of the app. When they click on the button, it goes into where they put in their email address, they search for a job, and they get job offers in their email. So to create a button is very simple. I'll be using the rectangle tool. And just like I said before, I like my rectangles to have round edges. You see, I think 10 is okay in this case as well. But I'm just going to reduce the size, put it at the center, and I'm going to take away the border, give it a complete color of black. Perfect. Now I'm going to make a duplicate of this text, change it to start. Then I'll place it just over this. If you notice it's below, I want it to be at the front, so bring it to front. And at the same time, the color, I'm going to put it to straight up white. Now we increase the size. I think 20 is okay. Now these two objects, I'll center them within each other, which is good. And again, lastly, what I'll be doing to make this even more interesting, since it's a call to action, we need to put some effect over it. The drop shadow is something cool that I like in this case. So can I have a little drop shadow like that? And then can just put something like that. The blurriness should be more in this case. Perfect. Now this is looking great. Just put it at the center of the page like that, and you are good to go. You are good to go. This is a very simple app. We can do a lot of designs to it. However, as simple as it is perfect. It's a nice call to action, good heading, nice appropriate picture, and you are good to go, guys. And with that, I've come to the end of this video on how to make mobile app on Adobe XD. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye for now.